Hume Band versus Whoop 5, which wearable health tracker should you buy? In this video, I'm comparing the Hume Band 2 with the Whoop 5 to find out which screen-free health tracker is better for sleep, recovery, fitness, long-term health insights, battery life, and overall values. And both the Hume Band and Whoop 5 are tagged with this video, so you can check the products directly while watching and compare the current options. Starting with the basic concept, both are designed for continuous wear without a distracting smartwatch screen, but they focus on slightly different users. Whoop 5 is heavily focused on performance, recovery, and training. Its core experience revolves around sleep, strain, and recovery scores, helping you understand how hard you've trained, how well you've recovered, and whether your body appears ready for another demanding workout. Hume takes a broader wellness and longevity-focused approach. The Hume Band tracks continuous heart rate, HRV, blood oxygen, sleep stages, skin temperature, activity, strain, and recovery. Hume also emphasizes metrics such as metabolic capacity, momentum, resilience, and its longevity index. Battery life is now much more competitive. Hume advertises more than 14 days for its latest Band 2, while Whoop also lists more than 14 days for Whoop 5. However, actual endurance can vary significantly depending on usage and software. The biggest difference may actually be the business model. Hume says you can use the band and access your raw data without a required subscription. Hume Premium is optional and adds features such as deeper AI-powered insights and personalized coaching. Whoop works around a membership model. The Whoop 5 hardware is included with eligible memberships, with different membership tiers unlocking different levels of health and performance functionality. For serious athletes, Whoop still has a major advantage. Its mature strain and recovery ecosystem is designed around answering practical training questions. How hard did I work? How well did I recover? And how much should I push today? Whoop also offers features such as VO2 max, heart rate zones, personalized coaching, and more advanced health functionality depending on your membership. Hume becomes more interesting if you're primarily interested in general wellness and long-term health trends, rather than optimizing every workout. It can also integrate with the Hume BodyPod ecosystem if you want to combine wearable information with body composition measurements. Here's a pro tip: don't choose either tracker based on the number of metrics advertised. Think about what decision you want the data to help you make. If you're regularly training and want actionable recovery guidance, Whoop's established performance ecosystem is likely more useful. If you want continuous wellness tracking without committing to a mandatory membership, Hume has the more attractive model. Also remember that neither wearable should be treated as a replacement for professional medical testing. Health tracker measurements and algorithms are best used for observing trends rather than diagnosing medical conditions. So, which should you buy? Choose the Hume Band 2 if you want screen-free health tracking, longevity-focused insights, long battery life, and especially the ability to use the core product without a mandatory subscription. Choose the Whoop 5 if you're a serious athlete, train frequently, and want a more established system built around sleep, strain, recovery, and performance coaching. For fitness enthusiasts and athletes, I'd choose Whoop 5. But for everyday users focused on long-term wellness who dislike mandatory subscriptions, I'd choose the Hume Band 2. Both the Hume Band and Whoop 5 are tagged with this video, so check the tagged products to compare the available options and decide which one better matches your goals. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Hume Band or Whoop 5, which one would you choose?